Hey guys, welcome to our candy review.
Serious. Mami talaga.
Mommy and baby candy reviews. What are you eating? Candy what? What name of the candy? No more? How?
No.
My candy is Mentos. I got sneeze because it's cold. It's so cold. It's so cold. But it's yummy.